Most our pattern says round 1 to 6 single crochet in magic ring. It means we need to do 6 single crochet stitches in magic ring. It can be confusing for beginners, so let's show you how to do it step by step. This is a magic ring I just made. Step 1, with your left hand, hold on to both the left and right sides of the magic loop and the yarn tail. Keep the yarn tail on the left side of the magic loop. Step 2, insert the hook through the middle of the loop from the front to the back. The hook should look like it's on the left side of the loop and the yarn tail. Step 3, yarn over, pull the yarn back through the loop under both the left side of the loop and the yarn tail to draw up a loop. There should be 2 loops on the hook. Step 4, yarn over, pull through both loops on the hook. There should be 1 loop left on the hook. This completes 1 single crochet. Remember to put a stitch marker into the first stitch. Next, repeat the above steps. Continue to make the left 5 single crochet stitches. When you are done, count the stitches to confirm you have as many single crochet stitches as the pattern calls for. Okay, there is 6 single crochet stitches in the magic ring. Last step, with your right hand, hold on to the top loops of the stitches you just made. And then with your left hand, pull on the yarn tail until the magic loop disappears. To start the next round, put the hook under the top loops of the stitch that marked by the stitch marker. Thank you for watching. Happy crocheting!